Autonomous project organizational structure. Hi, I'm Bill Carmody. Let's talk about autonomous project organizational structure. In autonomous project organization, the involved individuals give up, at least temporarily, the links to their function. So let's say, for example, you work in marketing or design or manufacturing. You would give that up so that you could work in an autonomous project organizational structure. This means that the project members are fully dedicated to a single project, typically working on the same building or complex. In the extreme cases of a tiger team organization or skunk works, the project members are not only co-located, but purposely placed somewhere remote from the rest of the organization. Think of it this way. If you're thinking about functional teams, all the same colors are the sales, the developers, the designers. What you're doing is you're creating a cross-functional team that has all the different elements that you would need to be successful. Autonomous project organizational structure is a different approach that essentially takes the best possible team you have to go after projects. They're typically happening when the projects are critical to the organization. These are not nice to haves, these are critical. Meaning we have a new product launch that if we don't get out there, it's going to actually tank the company or have a huge setback. So you want to have your best and brightest across all these different functions, working collaboratively together as a team and one solid unit to make sure that the project is successful. As they focus on all this work, it helps them basically have a single myopic view on how to actually be done and complete with each other. And so you think about it, it's almost like sequestering individuals from different departments to come together to make a really powerful team. Now, the important part of this that often isn't discussed is, do these individuals trust each other? Part of what you want to do when you create a team like this is make sure that they spend at least some quality time getting to know each other, talking about the importance of the project, and seeing how each one of them works with each other. That team dynamic cannot be understressed. Because ultimately, if these people are singly focused working on this project, they need to be able to trust each other. And if there's any of those issues out there, they have to be taken on head on. Otherwise, they're not going to work as a unit, even on a temporary basis. So make sure that everyone that's participating in this knows why they're being selected and why it's important for each one of those members to work together to be successful as a unit.